So today during lunch break I tried to do something funny. I put the draft of the Eurogeo survey SRIA 2024 into a software to generate the word cloud. I think it was a nice exercise to do. So if we take away the four more recurrent words, that was Europe, European, geological and data, what are the two words that have impressed you more?
Well, a couple that really stood out were subsurface and environment. So subsurface, because really this is the connecting point between all of the diverse different thematics that are in the strategic research and innovation agenda. So we look at mineral raw materials, we look at groundwater, we look at geoenergy, environmental risks and hazards, which include, for example, soils and so on, and also all of the geological mapping and modeling. But everything is connected by that subsurface link. And it's not just that everything that we're talking about is in the subsurface, but there are real connections between them and the research and innovation that we're proposing as well. Like, for example, environmental risks to groundwater, pollution risks, for example. There are important research and innovation proposals that cross between these different disciplines. So that stood out. And then environment, because really when people think about geology, a lot of the time they might think about mining, or at a push they might think about energy, so the resources, but not so often about environment. But environment really stands out in the SRIA as well as a really key component and an important part of the whole proposal in protecting and managing the subsurface environment. So how about you?
To me, the two words that struck me more was not necessarily technical words, but one was the word will. So this is our document in which we want to showcase what we want to do in the future about research and innovation. So that's why will is a bit everywhere. And then another word that struck me was we use a lot expected, especially when it comes to outcomes. And that also showed me that despite the fact we are trying to look at as further as possible in the future, but we know where we are going. So we know why we are doing what we are doing. So that's why we expected something, because we know our way.
Great.
Yeah.